Good morning students. In today's class we are going to have the topic method of variation of parameters. Already we started a problem in the last class. Okay, today also we are going to complete the same problem. I think in the last class we completed up to P. Okay, the next thing is we are going to find Q. Okay, before that just we are going to recall those things that has been done in the last class. Okay, so which is complementary function is what? Yes, A cos 2x plus B sin 2x. Okay, and W that is nothing but the branch gain value is 2 and we then P also that the answer is minus log of secant 2x plus tan 2x then minus sin 2x. Okay, that is we done in the last class. Okay, the next thing is we are going to see the formula of Q. So the formula is what? Q equal to integral f1 then capital X by W into dx. So this is the formula. Now we are going to replace all those substitutions here. So f1 is what? Is cos 2x and capital X is yes the right side term which is 4 tan 2x then whole divided by W value is 2 then into dx. Then that should be equal to now you take 4 by 2 as 2 that is outside then integral cos 2x then into now we can write tan as yes the same thing which is sin by cos. So sin 2x by cos 2x then into dx then that should be equal to yes just check is there any term which will be cancelled, right? So that is cos will be cancelled. The remaining thing is sin 2x. So sin 2x dx. Then that is equal to integration of sin is what? Yes, minus cos 2x whole divided by wanted to write x coefficient that is 2. Then we just cancel 2. So the remaining answer is minus cos 2x. So this is Q answer. Okay, the next thing is we are going to write the particular integral. Yes, the formula is what? Yes, Pf1 plus Qf2. P answer is what? That is the answer. Just write the same answer. So log of secant 2x plus tan 2x then into Fn is cos 2x. Then plus Q answer is you will have a minus, so minus cos 2x then into F2 is what? That is sin 2x. Now you check is there any term which will be cancelled, right? Actually we left one term here, right? So that is minus sin 2x then into cos 2x. Okay. So there are two terms which is for P. Okay, now you multiply this term, right? You will have a minus also common, right? So the first term is minus log of secant 2x plus tan 2x then into cos 2x. Then the second thing is minus into minus is plus. Okay, then sin into cos which is sin 2x cos 2x. And the third term is which is minus sin 2x cos 2x. Okay, now you check is there any term which will be cancelled, right? So the last two which is cancelled, right? So the remaining thing is minus log of secant 2x plus tan 2x then into cos 2x. So this is the answer for PA. Okay, now we need to write the solution. The solution is what? Yes. The solution is y equal to which is complementary function plus particular integral. Now the complementary function is what? Already we recalled, right? So which is a cos 2x plus b sin 2x and the particular integral is this answer. Okay, the whole thing on right. So which is minus log of secant 2x plus tan 2x then into cos 2x. Okay, I think now you will have an idea about this topic, right? So this way only we need to done a problem under this topic. Okay, just we are going to recall all those things. Yes, initially I want to write the given equation in terms of D. Then I want to write the auxiliary equation. That means which is nothing but we are going to replace B as M. we'll get one equation, then not to solve that equation. For that, we are going to get some roots. Okay, based on the root, not to check which case we are having, right? So we'll have three cases, different and same, and the third thing is imaginary. Okay, so this problem which is under imaginary case, so imaginary case, I want to write the complementary function, and then to find the value of W. So W, we know the formula. Yes, using the formula we need to find. Then you find what is P and Q. Okay, for P and Q, you have a separate formula. Using that formula, or to find. At last, or to write the particular integral, that is of the form Pf1 plus Qf2. Okay, at last, or to write the solution. The solution is we are going to write the complementary function and particular. Okay, this way we need to solve the problem. Okay, thank you very much.